Welcome to 331 100th Street South in Tacoma. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath home that sits on 1,444 square feet. We have a fully fenced-in backyard, and we're literally a minute from Highway 512. Let's go check it out. Let's start right here with this open concept living space. You'll immediately see the family room, dining area, and freshly remodeled kitchen all in one shot. Off to our immediate right, we have the first bedroom that ties into the main bathroom, and a hallway that leads into the second bedroom, and also the stairs that goes up to the upper floor. Notice all the windows that allow a ton of natural light to pour in. As we travel through the downstairs, you'll see true hardwood floors throughout the home. The bedrooms downstairs are what we call a racetrack, so we can go from the family room to a bedroom, through to a bathroom, through to a bedroom, and back to that open space again. We'll pass the stairs going up for now and get a closer look at the dining space and kitchen. In this kitchen, you'll see brand new flooring, cabinets, quartz countertops, lighting, and appliances. Look at all of this storage and cooking space. And I love that backsplash. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs. Here we have a great landing that would be a perfect office or play space. And while we're here, take a look at that gorgeous new roof. As we go deeper upstairs, we'll find our third bedroom. Let's head back downstairs to see the second fully renovated bathroom, our laundry area, and finally our fully fenced-in backyard. Here you'll see a great patio for summer barbecues and plenty of space for pets, playtime, or parties, while also having an easy maintenance backyard. Thank you so much for joining us on today's tour. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a personal tour through this property, please reach out to your agent. In the meantime, happy house hunting, and we'll see you on the next one.